there's a ring within a ring. And yeah, I can remove that inner ring maybe because it's cut. So might be able to get that inner ring out, because I don't know if you can see that, sorry. It's where part of this travelled into part of this, and then they welded it, and then they put this end cap on and welded it. So yeah, it depends, because now I've got all that there, I've got the short shocks, long shocks. Let me just grab one. If you remember back to the early days of the vlog, I said I wanted to do something funky with the exhaust, and with these pipes. Okay, here they are. These are Barks and Hines. So what I've got to do, instead of that, okay, is that all in shot? All the baffle in shot? Yep. I want to do that. Yeah? So that's what I've got to make up. Yeah. So, yeah, because this has got a bolt hole in it. Here, look, that's got a bolt hole in it. Oh no, I want that round the other way, don't I? Duh. Yeah, this needs to go on here some way. So I need to cut that down there, attach that to there. So this is the midsection, and that's the end section. So I've got to get on with doing that. It's okay. It's peeing down with rain at the moment. I'm covered in some rusty orange stuff. Tidy all this up and get back to you with where I am and what I'm doing. Alright then. Okay. Yeah. But this will do for now. What I'm going to do is just kind of construct this back up for now. Sorry about the chainsaw going in the background. It's just to make sure, don't worry about this tape will just burn off, or not. It will just sit there. But this is just to make sure, is when I slide this back in, it doesn't get caught or get chewed up. Just want a bit of tape on the bottom, don't have to go crazy. I see some people mask tape these end to end, but there's really no need. There's really no need. What I might do, actually, is take this off again, wire brush the whole thing, and paint it. Haven't decided yet. Okay. So there's that there. Let me just show you the wire. There's one piece of wire. I don't even know if the camera can pick it up. It's just really thin wire that was laced up in. I mean, you can put bits back. Just wire that was twisted like so. So that's all I'm going to do. Put bits of wire that come off it that are practically disintegrated and just space them up along it. Okay. I can't find that bit of wire. Don't know what I've done with them. I took it off and set it somewhere. Right. Okay. Let's see if I can get the camera to point at something in here. I'm going to do my best because I want this to come out real proper, like down there. Right down there. Don't know if you can see it. I do hope you can. There's a pipe within a pipe. This pipe here carries on, though it's welded there. A bit of it goes inside, and there's a lip. And what happens is, at the end of this, because that's flared, sits on that lip. And it just so happens it's the same flare as this. So what I'm going to do is try dropping this in and see if it fits. on that lip. I don't want to drop this on the floor. And no, it doesn't. It doesn't quite sit on it, which is a bummer, because that means I'm going to need... no, it doesn't sit on it. So, mind you, I could have measured it, couldn't I? Yeah, it's really weird, because this don't look no bigger. Hang on. I'll get a... Have we got the caliper here? Can I borrow the caliper, please? Oops, sorry. Oh, you know it's genuine, don't you? When you have a quick conversation off camera. Right, this is sort of live. This is 40... oh dear, my eyesight. 45, 6, 7, 47. So what's this? Ah, okay, damn. This is 49, so there's 2 mil in a diameter. Right, so what's got to happen is then I'm going to need this. What I'm going to do is probably grind this off a little bit. And it's a little bit bent where I bashed it out, because it's not round, see? So I'll have to square it up somehow. And I'm going to have to cut that, fit that into there to make up the length, which is, it's close, because look, if that sits right back there, yeah, it's more or less at the top there. If I was a little bit more careful, no, I'm going to need longer, aren't I? Sorry, yeah, I'm going to need longer, because I've got to get that to sit in there like that. Yeah, I think I've already said that, haven't I? So what was I doing? I was just trying to clear some of this stuff up so nothing gets damaged. This will just slide back in here, and let me show you this. It's the holes there. Yeah, the LEDs are at the wrong place. Line up with the holes in here. But all you've got to do is make sure that it's right to the bracket, because that's the top and that's the bracket that goes on the side. Can I show you the bracket on the side? Yep. So the orientation to that. So you've got to make sure it all looks right, otherwise you'll be pulling it off and putting it all back. I don't even know if I've got it right. But okay, that's there for now. Let me shove it in this box so it's out of the way, and tries not to get too scraped up. You really got to be careful, because I think I've marked it a couple of times and it's going to need touching up. You're going to wrap the bloody thing in cotton wool. What I suggest is you wrap the entire outside